Hey guys, welcome back. So that is all browned up and I strained it out. So now I'm going to season it and let that season penetrate it. Okay. Okay. So what I'm going to do is put this eye off because that's already all done. I love this little, I don't even know what it's called, guys, but I love this little utensil here. Okay. Let me get a little bit more seasoning. Remember, the recipe would be in the description below. Okay, so I got my sauce all ready. So now I'm going to show you what I do with my meat, guys. So here is the ricotta cheese. I put that in a bowl. Okay. So what I do, guys, is I put my meat inside the ricotta cheese. Okay. I put my meat inside the ricotta cheese, and then I spread that around. So I'll show you how I get this all built up, guys. Okay. Get my spoon. Okay. This is how I do that. Okay. And then when I start layering my noodles, then you know the ricotta cheese is already melted with the seasoning and everything in it. Okay. Then over here, I got that cheese all shredded up, the mozzarella cheese and the Parmesan cheese. Okay, and I only put a little bit of that in there. Okay. So I got half the meat inside the ricotta cheese, and then half the meat is just for me to layer extra. So I'm waiting for them noodles to get al dente. Then I'm gonna season the ricotta and the meat again. Okay. So now I'm just waiting for my noodles to get ready. So while I'm waiting for the noodles to get ready, I'm gonna start cooking my spinach and my mushrooms. So I'll be right back, guys.